This 2023 Grand Design Momentum MAV 27 MAV is a toy hauler RV. It is located in Egg Harbor City, New Jersey, 08215 and is offered for sale by White Horse RV Center. This new Grand Design is 32 feet 3 inches in length and features sleeps 6, oven, microwave, LP detector, smoke detector, stove top burner, water heater, leveling jacks, refrigerator, air conditioning, auxiliary battery, and 96 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this toy hauler features bunk beds, bunkhouse, couples coach, front bedroom, patio deck, rear bedroom, rear dinette, rear entertainment. The unloaded weight of this 2023 Grand Design Momentum MAV 27 MAV is 6,835 pounds. For more information and pricing on this unit, and to see all units available for sale by White Horse RV Center, visit RVUSA.com.